Okay, quick question, Lucas. Do you look at your phone in bed?
Yeah, like every single night.
Right. What if I tell you that is why you are always tired?
Wait, what? No, I am tired because I sleep late.
Nope. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. Today, we are talking about your night routine.
My night routine? I mean, I brush my teeth and I sleep. That is it.
See, that is the problem. A lot of people, they just stop. They don't have a plan.
A plan for sleeping?
Yes, exactly. A plan for sleeping. Because if your night is bad, your morning is bad.
Okay, true. I always wake up feeling like so tired, like a zombie.
A zombie. Yes! So let's look at the biggest problem, the phone.
But I need my phone to, relax.
You think it relaxes you, but it is waking up your brain.
Wait, I don't get it. I am lying down. My body is resting.
Yes, your body, but your eyes see the light from the phone.
Oh, the light.
Yeah, the blue light. Imagine a fake sun right in your face.
A fake sun? Oh, wow.
Your brain sees that light and says, "Oh, it is morning. Time to wake up."
Wait, really? My brain is that stupid?
Well, it is just natural. The brain loves light.
So when I look at funny videos at midnight,
Your brain thinks it is 12 p.m., lunchtime,
oh, now I get it. That makes so much sense.
right? And that is why you can't sleep fast.
Yeah, it takes me like 1 hour to sleep, sometimes 2.
Exactly, because your brain is still running. It is doing a marathon.
Okay, but Luna, what do? I can't just look at the dark.
You need a night routine, a good one.
Like reading a book? I don't like reading.
It doesn't have to be a book. You can just listen to soft music or stretch.
Stretch? Like exercise?
No, very slow stretching. Or even just write in a journal.
Write what? Dear diary, today I was tired again.
Yes, actually, yes. Writing takes your thoughts out of your head.
Oh, so my head is empty, ready for sleep.
Perfect. Yes. Empty your head. And another big thing is food.
Oh no, don't talk about food. I love eating at night.
I know. But eating late is terrible for sleep.
Really? But a full stomach makes me sleepy.
You feel sleepy, but your stomach is working very hard.
Working?
Yeah, it is digesting the food. It is like a washing machine.
A washing machine? Inside my tummy?
Yes. Imagine trying to sleep with a loud washing machine in your room.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I would hate that.
So if you eat a big pizza at 11 p.m.,
The washing machine turns on.
exactly, and your body cannot rest deeply.
Geez, I did that yesterday. I ate 3 slices of pizza.
And how did you feel this morning, Lucas?
Like a zombie. Again.
See, it is all connected. Light, food, and what you do before bed.
Okay, I want to change. Tell me the first step.
Let's start very simple. The 10-minute rule.
10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes. What is it?
You just put your phone in another room. 10 minutes before bed.
Another room? Wait, not on my bed?
No, not even in your room. Put it away.
I don't know, Luna. That sounds scary.
Scary? Really, Lucas?
Yes. I mean, what if someone calls me?
Put the sound on high for calls, but no looking at the screen.
Okay. But what do I do for 10 minutes? Just stare?
Good question. You can read, like a real physical book.
A paper book? I don't think I have many of those.
Or just sit. Just sit and breathe deeply.
Sit and do nothing? Wow, that is hard.
It is hard, but it is like, okay, think of a really fast car.
Vroom.
Exactly. Your brain is a fast car all day long.
Right, like zooming around. Work, food, funny dog videos.
Yes, and if you hit a wall at full speed,
Crash, that is bad.
yes, a big crash. Falling asleep with a phone is like a crash.
Oh, I see. That makes bad sleep.
Very bad sleep. But 10 quiet minutes, that is using the brakes. slowly stopping.
Slowly stopping. Like driving slowly into a parking spot.
Yes, exactly, Lucas. You park your brain.
Wow, park my brain. I really like that.
It is easy, right? Just 10 minutes to park.
But wait, Luna, I have another problem.
Oh no, what is it now?
I really like snacks at night.
Oh boy, late night snacks?
Yes, like a big bowl of sweet cereal right before bed.
Lucas, no, just no.
Why not? It makes me so happy.
Because it makes your stomach work. Your stomach is like, oh, time to work.
Oh, so my stomach is awake.
Yes, and if your stomach is awake, well, you are awake.
So, no food at all?
Try to eat no food for 2 hours before bed.
2 hours? You are killing me, Luna.
I am helping you. You want to stop being a zombie, right?
Yes, no more zombie. I want to wake up happy.
So, rule 1, phone in another room for 10 minutes.
Rule 1. Got it.
Rule 2, no food for 2 hours before bed.
Ah, okay. But water is okay.
Yes, water is okay, but not too much, or you will wake up to,
To go to the bathroom.
Yeah, true. That wakes you up.
So let's practice right now, just in our minds.
Okay, I'm ready.
It is 10 p.m. You want to sleep at 10:30. What do you do?
I take my phone, I put it in the kitchen.
Great. Then what?
I go to my room, I sit on my bed, and I park my brain.
Yes. And do you eat your cereal?
No cereal, just sleep.
Perfect! You did it perfectly.
I feel sleepy already.
Good. Now, listeners, we have a challenge for you.
A challenge? Oh, I love fun challenges.
Yes, tonight, try the 10-minute rule. Just 10 minutes with no phone.
Can they do it? I really think they can.
Tell us down in the comments if you slept better.
And if you liked this, please hit subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center for more easy tips.
Have a very good night, everyone. Park your brains.